Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put a zip on hoodie if your zipper is broken or it's not working properly. So you can change the zipper. First you have to remove the old zipper, and then you can get the zipper according to the measurement, and then you can pin it up with the pin. That's how I am pinning it up. So you can see that in this way it will be on place, and it will be not like ups and down, or like it will be equal from the end and from the top. So first you pin it up, and then you can start stitching. You can see how I am cutting the extra zipper, and I am placing it, and one by one I am removing the pin, and I start doing the stitches. And you can see that it's done. And then I double stitch from the top, and then I am doing the other side the same way. And after that I am double stitching it up, and after that the hoodie new zipper is changed. You can see at the end. Thanks for watching.